So it's really nice when you can watch your friends spend their money and you get to enjoy it too. So this is like one of those moments for me.
This is crazy. This is so cool. I cannot believe this is my car. Wow. Hey, good morning, guys. It is a sunny and beautiful day in Burlingame, California. I'm out here at Rector Motor Cars. You can see the sign behind me, but not at the normal side of the dealership. So if you know, Rector Motor Cars is a family-owned local business. They're best known for being Porsche and Audi of Burlingame. But I'm over here on the north side of the property because they are working with me on something really special. You're gonna see behind me here in a minute what that is. So let's take a look together. There she is. It's my brand new 2025 Porsche 911 GT3 RS. It feels pretty surreal to be standing here and looking at this thing, but I'm excited to show you guys the car today. We're gonna do a bit of an unboxing and we're gonna have fun with it.
How dirty this thing's already got.
Man, this interior is sick.
I'm good.